Now we will check for properties of fractions. Okay. Before going to properties of fractions, let us solve some, convert some improper fraction into mixed fractions. Say some improper fraction, I'll just note it down. 15 upon 2, then 21 upon 3, and say 25 upon 4. Now these are three fractions whose numerators are bigger than the denominators. So they are improper fractions. Now we have to convert these improper fractions into mixed fractions. How will you do? The method I told you earlier. See, 15 upon 2. Just divide 15 upon 2. 15 divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14. Remainder is 1. Okay. Now how will you write the fraction I told you? See, 15 upon 2, no? 15 upon 2 is equal to, in the improper fraction, this denominator will come as denominator itself. 2 ka 2 hi aayega of the fraction part. Now what is the whole number part? The answer of this division. Answer is what? That is the quotient. 7. Ye 7 aayega idhar. This denominator will come as this denominator. What is left out? Remainder. जो नीचे है वो ऊपर चला जाएगा numerator. 7 and 1 by 2. How will you cross check? Always a mixed fraction. How will you cross check from a mixed fraction? See, 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 upon 2. This is how you check. This into this plus this with the same denominator. 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Here, denominator, see. This is how you cross check. Now the second one. Second one is what? 21 divided by 3. 21 upon 3 means 21 divided by 3. 3 sevens are 21. Remainder is 0. So now this you cannot write as an improper, as a mixed fraction, because this number itself is not a fraction. See, 3 sevens are 21. It's a whole number 7. Still, if you want to write, you can show it this way. Now, 21 by 3 is equal to, this is 3, denominator is 0. Whenever you get a denominator 0, it doesn't become a fraction. It is a whole number, okay? So if at all you are writing, it will go like this. So there is no fraction like this, okay? 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 0 is 21 upon 3. Still you can cross check. But such questions will not come for you in the examination. So just ignore it. Because this is, in the first place, 21 by 3 is not a fraction at all. Instead of 21 by 3, I could have given 21 by 5. So now 21 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20, remainder is 5. Now how will you write improper fraction? 21 upon 5 is equal to, this denominator is 5. So इधर fraction में denominator 5 आएगा. Whole number is the answer. That is the quotient. 4. And denominator जो नीचे आया वो ऊपर चला. So 4 and 1 by 5 is the answer. Cross check. 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 1 21 upon 5. ठीक है? Now the next one. I am not dividing for you, you do it for yourself. I will just cut and show you. 4 6 are 24. 6 is the answer. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 25 में से 24 गया तो 1 is the remainder. 1 ऊपर आ गया रिमाइंडर, और ये 4 डिनोमिनेटर, इधर भी 4 डिनोमिनेटर. So 25 by 4 is nothing but 6 and 1 by 4. Cross check and see. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 25 upon 4. So now you are well versed with conversion of improper fractions into mixed fractions. Correct? Now we will come to the properties of fraction. One property of fraction is the equivalence of fraction. Whenever the numerator and denominator of a fraction is multiplied or divided by any same numbers, the fraction does not change. For example, see, I am giving you an example of one fraction 5 upon 6. Now what does the property say? Whenever you divide and multiply with the same number on both the numerator as well as denominator, fraction doesn't change in value. So now 5 by 6, they say it is equivalent to, 5 by 6 is equivalent to same number से multiply कर सकते हैं और divide. Now here in this case I multiplied. Multiplied means दोनों में multiply होगा. See, दोनों में multiply होगा और दोनों में same number होगा. So what is this? 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. So 5 by 6 का equivalent fraction is 10 by 12. This is also equal to, I can make it 5 into 3 upon 6 into 3. इधर 5 को 3 से multiply किया, 6 को 3 से multiply किया. Same number से multiply किया. 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. So these are all equivalent fractions. 3 fraction I showed you, equivalent fraction. 5 by 6 equal to 10 by 12 equal to 15 by 18. This is how you find equal fractions. इसका सब value is same. See, what is 15 by 18? Now I'll cut and make it. I'll bring it to the lowest form. Lowest form is this, 5 upon 6. These are all equivalent fractions. But out of all these equivalent fractions, there is one lowest form. That is the original one, the smallest form. How will you bring here? Say 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So this 5 by 6. In other words, what the property says, if the number is 15 by 18, you can multiply or divide with same number. Now here I will divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is how much? 5. 18 divided by 3 is how much? 18 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. Remainder is 0. So 6. See, I am getting the lowest form, 5 by 6. Same way, 10 by 12. If I take 10 by 12, I can cut and see. What will go in both of these? 2 will go. Because this is even number, this is even number. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again the lowest form is 5 by 6. I am just dividing it, the numerator as well as denominator by 2. So, I just showed you what are equivalent fractions, and out of all the equivalent fractions, you have one lowest form, that is sabse chota wala, like the 5 by 6 in all these equivalent fractions, right? Now, I'll give you one more example where we will divide and see. Say for example 30 by 24. Let us divide the numerator and the denominator with, say, 6. So what this fraction will become? 30 divided by 6. Kitna hai 30 divided by 6? 6 5s are 30. That is 5. Upon 24 divided by 6 kya hai? 6 4s are 24. So it is 4. So 30 by 24 is equal to 5 by 4. I can divide it by, say, some other number also. 30 by 24, I can divide by 2 also, because both are even numbers. 2 जाएगा ही जाएगा दोनों में. So 30 divided by 2 is what? 15. 24 divided by 2 is what? 12. So, see, I have so many numbers here. One is 5 by 4, One is out of 30 by 24, if I divide by 6, I got 5 by 4. 30 by 24 ko, if I divide by 2 on both the sides, numerator and denominator, I get 15 by 12. So I can also say 5 by 4, comma, or equal to, you can write 15 by 12 equal to 30 by 24. These are all equivalent fractions. Out of this, 5 by 4 is the lowest form of the fraction. Okay?